Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the official Yahoo Finance website. Then search for the stock you want to download data for. For example, search for Tesla. After that, click on Tesla from the search results. Then over here on the left side, click on historical data. After that, sign into your Yahoo account. Over here, if you have the gold subscription, you will be able to see a download data button. Then click on that download button. After that, a CSV file will be downloaded. Over here, you can open the file using Excel or any similar program. So that's basically how you can download historical data from Yahoo Finance. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.